Good evening. I'm the Hood Mystic, and this evening we will be activating, balancing, and working with our Sacral Chakra. The point of this meditation is to balance our emotions. So, after this meditation, you should notice a change in the observation of your emotions. Before we begin the meditation, I am going to relax the body. So please just find a comfortable place. And please, the most important part of meditating is to not move. Moving is sacrilege. So during this 30 minutes, please try your best to remain completely still without falling asleep. So now we will begin the calming of the body, followed by the Sacral Chakra guided meditation. So as you relax, we begin to take deep breaths, and if at any point during this meditation our mind begins to wander outside of this meditation, bring it back with a deep breath. Wonderful. The tension in our foreheads, let's begin to remove the tension from our foreheads and relax our foreheads down to our eyebrows and eyelids. We're slowly releasing the tension from our faces, our cheekbones, and just relaxing the muscles in our faces. Your face has become fully relaxed, fully limp. As we bring our awareness and consciousness down to our throats and neck area, all of the tension that we have gained throughout the day, let us now begin to free ourselves from that tension. Our upper body, our head, our neck is completely free from tension, down to our shoulders. Our shoulder area is now feeling loose and free. Release the tension from our arms and extremities, our fingers, fingertips. Feel the energy leaving out of your body through your fingertips as we begin to bring our awareness to our chest area and all of the tension and tightness. We begin to loosen our chest area as we begin to feel free, feel relaxed. Our upper back, all of the tension in our upper back, I feel that we're releasing that, we're letting that go. And so our upper bodies remain free and clear as we're ready to receive this meditation, down to our abdomens, our stomach muscles. We are releasing, we are becoming more and more relaxed. Feel your body release the tension, and as you release the tension, you actually feel your body becoming more and more relaxed. You are not moving, taking deep breaths, and your back, your spinal cord is free from all tension as you raise up all 33 vertebrae. Release tension from all vertebrae as your whole upper body becomes free and fluid. As we bring our awareness to our waist and growing in private areas, we are releasing the tension and trauma from that area. We are using our awareness and our perception to remove tension from our body as we begin to feel more and more relaxed, more and more at peace. As we move down to our thighs and our hamstrings, we are releasing the tension from the largest muscle in our body. We are slowly releasing the tension throughout our whole bodies, down to our calves, our awareness, down to our feet, as our whole body from head to toe has now been fully relaxed. and free from all tension. Lay with your deep breaths, free from all tension, as you prepare for the guided meditation. Be sure to use your perception and imagination to visualize the words and become entranced with your perception. Become entranced with your visualization. Be there in the moment. Begin to see without your eyes. Begin to feel without your hands. I would like you to lay back, relax, and imagine that you are floating in a vast ocean. As you sway back and forth on this ocean, floating on your back, you realize that this ocean is your emotions. And as you realize that this wide, vast ocean is your emotions, an orange cube rises out of the ocean and allows you to sit on it, and it can kind of be your raft on this ocean that we now know is your emotions. This raft is your sacral chakra. So as you use your awareness and gaze upon this ocean that you find yourself surrounded in, you admire the vastness and infinite nature of this ocean. It seems as though water can go on for miles and miles and miles. Is this ocean calm, or is this ocean rough? This is a telltale sign of your emotions. Are your emotions at peace, or are your emotions troubled? But as your awareness to this ocean, one thing enters your mind: that you are not a part of the ocean. You are actually above the ocean. So you realize in this moment, in this meditation, that you are not your emotions. Now, maybe up until this point, you may have thought that you and your emotions were one and the same. But because of this meditation, you can clearly see that you are above your emotions. So let us take some time to separate our consciousness from all of our emotions, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Beautiful. Because we recognize that if we were to fall into this ocean, we will become one with this ocean again and lose ourselves, lose our perception, lose our consciousness. If we can stay above our ocean, we will be able to navigate our emotions. So why don't we navigate now? As we float along on our orange sacral chakra, we see off in the distance a masculine image, and a divine image. As we get closer to these images, we realize that on our left side is the divine masculine, and on our right side is the divine feminine. Let us observe our divine masculine. Is he at peace? Is he troubled? Is he getting the love that he deserves? Now, let us look at our divine feminine. Is she happy? Is she getting the respect that she deserves? The love that she wants? Examine your divine feminine and your divine masculine. Step closer and invite your divine masculine and divine feminine to embrace, as all three of you embrace one another into a big group hug. In this hug, all three of you begin to heal each other simultaneously. In this moment, you realize that you are never alone. Feel the peace. Feel the creativity surge through your being. Recognize the emotional healing that is now taking place. Remember, I am above my emotions. You are above your emotions. Recognize the healing that is now taking place. You are emotionally available. You give credit when it is due. You are grateful. You trust yourself. Now, pay attention to your ocean, your emotions. Is that ocean calmer? Is that ocean clear? Realize that this meditation is needed when understanding the different feelings and emotions that you experience, to truly realize that your emotions are something that you observe, that your emotions are not you. As we travel our ocean, we see a void off in the distance. A big, empty void. And we realize this is where we have gone when we have felt pain, hurt, jealousy, loneliness. We have looked for things to fill that void. Drugs, sex, attention, the endless cycle, food, the endless cycle. we realize that the only thing that can fit into that void is our spirit, is our soul, is our meditation. And in this moment, we realize that meditation is so much more powerful than medication. When we have a problem, we can get our prescription filled from the soul. So as we thank our soul for empowering us, guiding us, and filling us, giving us wholeness once again, we are reminded that we are born whole and we will die whole, so we must live whole. So repeat after me to close out this guided meditation. I am whole. Deep breath. I am whole. You are complete. Repeat after me. I am whole. I am whole. I am whole. Use this meditation whenever you feel that there is a void within you, that you may think that something external can fill that void. The only thing that can fill that void is your soul. Meditation over medication, because you are whole. Remember that you are whole. Peace, and have a wonderful evening.